Hi everyone, it's me, Steve. We're at the playground today. It's sunny and fun. Look, it's our friends Maya and Leo. What are you two playing?
Hi, Steve. We're pretending to be drivers today. Yeah, we're driving all kinds of cool vehicles.
Wow, that sounds exciting. Can I play too?
Of course, Steve. Come on, let's go deliver some packages. Look, Leo, it's a DHL truck. It's bright yellow. DHL trucks deliver packages all around the world.
Wow, all around the world?
Yep, they carry letters and boxes on big roads and highways.
That's amazing. They must travel so far.
They do. My mom said they even use airplanes sometimes to deliver packages really fast.
Hey, what about those white vans with the purple logo? What are those?
Those are FedEx vans, Steve. They also deliver packages just like DHL trucks.
So they both deliver things?
Yep, but they might deliver different things sometimes.
So it's like DHL delivers my toys and FedEx delivers my books.
Maybe. It depends on who ordered them, Steve.
But how do the packages get to different countries?
That's where airplanes come in. Airplanes are like giant birds that carry things and people really far.
Wow, they must fly super high.
They do, and they're super fast too.
So cool! We learned so much about how things get delivered today. Thanks, Maya and Leo.
You're welcome, Steve. Now let's pretend we're pilots and fly our own airplane.